Today's video we're going to go over the staking out options on the Surpad software. You can see here I got Surpad opened up on the controller and I'm in the project tab. My first couple of options are I can stake out manually entered points that I've entered into the points database or that I've imported via CSV into the points database. So when I go along to survey at the bottom, so project device survey at the bottom, you can see I've got point stakeout there. If I hit point stakeout, it's going to take me to my points database. There's a few points I've manually added or I've imported. If I select one, click OK, I can stake out that point. If I've uploaded a DXF file into the controller and I want to stake out some features on that file, what I do is I go into my CAD, which is just above point stakeout, click OK because I've already imported it. Okay, and then there's my site plan there. So if I scroll down to the bottom here, you can see I got some features that I might want to stake out, like the corners of the houses. If I click the house, it's come up in a purple block. So this is a block reference now. So before staking this out, what I'm going to want to do is highlight it like I have done, click explode. Are you sure to explode the selected block? Yes. Okay, so now I can select the house and it's going to give me the line of the house. If I click stakeout and I'm not using setting out by power by coordinate, when I click OK, it's just going to stake out the line of the house and it's just going to tell me where I am on the line. Now, if I want to stake out the corners, it would be better for me to highlight the line, click stakeout, and then I'm going to turn on the setting out by power by coordinate feature. And then I'm going to change the calculation mode to stake out by key node. Click OK. You can see how I can stake out the corners of the houses then. Just scroll through using the arrows on the side. I can also create points myself on the CAD so that I can stake out the individual points. So what I'm going to do is highlight the line again, and then next to stakeout I've got list. So if I click list, it's going to create 5 nodes there, N1 to N5. If I modify that and change the name to house, click OK, it's created points house 1 to house 5. Click save. Yes, I want to save my point data. Go back, and you can see it's created then the individual points. So if I scroll through, click that, click stakeout, I can just stake out the one corner. If I want to stake out big line features like the road or the curb, there's a few options I can do here. So if I highlight the line, click stakeout again, my setting out by power by coordinate feature is not on. So I click OK, it's just going to take me to that line. If I go back, highlight the line again, click stakeout. If I want to do intervals or segments, what I can do is I can turn on the setting out by power by coordinate. Yep. Change my calculation mode from key nodes to distance, and then my interval there is 2 meters, so it's going to create a point for me to stake out every 2 meters along that line. Click OK, you can see it's created those points, and then using the arrows I can just scroll through and stake out those points.